Top 10 foods that are best for your teeth. 10. Cheese. 9. Yogurt. 8. Leafy greens. 7. Carrots. 6. Celery. 5. Apples. 4. Almonds. 3. Fish. 2. Oranges. 1. Water. What's your pick? Comment below. Top 10 healthiest nuts you should be eating. 10. Chestnuts. 9. Pine nuts. 8. Brazil nuts. 7. Macadamia nuts. 6. Hazelnuts. 5. Pistachios. 4. Pecans. 3. Cashews. 2. Walnuts. 1. Almonds. Your favorite? Let us know. Top 10 best foods for glowing and healthy skin. 10. Salmon. 9. Sweet potatoes. 8. Carrots. 7. Spinach. 6. Sunflower seeds. 5. Walnuts. 4. Bell peppers. 3. Tomatoes. 2. Blueberries. 1. Avocado. Got a favorite? Tell us in the comments. Top 10 foods to boost sexual health naturally. 10. Pomegranate. 9. Spinach. 8. Oysters. 7. Dark chocolate. 6. Watermelon. 5. Maca-root. 4. Avocado. 3. Garlic. 2. Nuts. 1. Ginseng. Which one do you love? Comment below. Top 10 high-protein foods to build muscle and stay fit. 10. Quinoa. 9. Chickpeas. 8. Lentils. 7. Fish. 6. Cottage cheese. 5. Greek yogurt. 4. Almonds. 3. Tofu. 2. Eggs. 1. Chicken breast. Favorite food? Share below. Top 10 foods that help lower blood sugar levels. 10. Lentils. 9. Beans. 8. Broccoli. 7. Spinach. 6. Salmon. 5. Almonds. 4. Chia seeds. 3. Avocado. 2. Cinnamon. 1. Oats. Pick your favorite and comment. Top 10 foods to improve eyesight and eye health. 10. Almonds. 9. Bell peppers. 8. Sweet potatoes. 7. Eggs. 6. Spinach. 5. Broccoli. 4. Oranges. 3. Carrots. 2. Blueberries. 1. Fish. Which one do you like? Comment below. Top 10 heart-healthy foods you need in your diet. 10. Spinach. 9. Berries. 8. Walnuts. 7. Green tea. 6. Dark chocolate. 5. Olive oil. 4. Avocado. 3. Salmon. 2. Almonds. 1. Oats. What's your top pick? Let us know. Top 10 foods to boost memory and brain function. 10. Apples. 9. Dark chocolate. 8. Pumpkin seeds. 7. Eggs. 6. Turmeric. 5. Leafy greens. 4. Fatty fish. 3. Walnuts. 2. Blueberries. 1. Rosemary. Comment with your favorite. Top 10 immune-boosting foods you should eat daily. 10. Green tea. 9. Turmeric. 8. Almonds. 7. Yogurt. 6. Spinach. 5. Ginger. 4. Garlic. 3. Broccoli. 2. Red bell peppers. 1. Citrus fruits. Which one do you choose? Tell us below.